Innovation in aerospace technology requires thin metal components that keep pace with rapid development cycles and the strictest requirements. In this video, we will see how photochemical etching (PCE), also known as photochemical machining, can increase the development speed and accuracy of thin metal components for aerospace applications. The aerospace industry faces many requirements. Safety is paramount, and each component must meet the highest standards to ensure the safety of both civilian and military operations. Reducing weight is critical for performance and fuel efficiency. Traceability ensures accountability and reliability, essential for mission-critical applications. Micron-level precision is required for advanced components such as RF shields, microwave antennas, and drone parts. Photochemical etching is compatible with a wide range of materials, allowing for greater versatility in component design and functionality. Traditional machining methods can be time-consuming and less precise, applying force that may alter material properties. Laser cutting, though precise, can cause thermal distortion affecting the integrity of thin metal components. 3D printing offers flexibility, but may struggle with the micron-level precision and material compatibility needed for aerospace components. Meanwhile, wire EDM is excellent for precision, but is limited by slower production speeds and higher costs. These methods may increase costs and production times, offer insufficient precision, increase the potential for defects, and have scalability limitations. Photochemical etching is a precise and efficient alternative that eliminates the need for custom tooling, allowing for faster prototyping and production. PCE reduces the time from prototyping to production from weeks to days while reducing total cost of part produced. PCE prints your blueprint on a metal plate covered with a UV light-sensitive coating. The protective coating is removed, exposing the metal. Next, the sheet is submerged in acid, which etches away the exposed metal. Finally, the parts are carefully inspected to ensure that they meet the customer's specifications. Components can be made of extremely thin sheet metal or foil. But it does not stop there. By bonding layers together, components with unique design features, such as cooling channels, may be designed. PCE can shape components made of a wide variety of metals. Your PhotoFab Solutions engineer can discuss options with you further. Additional treatments like plating, PVD coatings, bend channels, and etched part numbers can be added to the part. The PhotoFab process offers several advantages. Flexibility to produce unusual configurations to tight tolerances. Capability to produce small holes in bars that are not possible with stamping processes. Speed and lower cost than traditional machining, making it an ideal technique for both prototypes and large production quantities. Standard delivery is 2 weeks with premium services offering 5, 3, and 1-day delivery. With value-added services such as blanking, forming, plating, and our partners in the Partner Companies Group, you have a one-stop shop for your parts. Thank you for watching this video. Please contact our experts to discuss how we can help you meet your goals and secure success.